Now we're looking at factoring special cases, and there are a couple of, I think 3 special cases, maybe not just a couple. So factoring a perfect square trinomial. So we saw this in multiplying out when you have like a plus b times a plus b, you get the a squared plus b squared plus b, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Excuse me. It's late. I shouldn't be making videos. It's late. Anyway, so how to factor a perfect square trinomial. Confirm that the first and last terms are perfect squares. And then confirm that the middle term is twice the product of the square root of the first term, a, times the square root of the last term, b. And then, oh, there's a typo. Oh. Write the factor form as a plus b. Let's fix that real time. And I want to go here and make that a superscript. There. Okay. A plus b squared. So we're going to factor the perfect square trinomial. So we have, look at the square root of 49x squared is 7x. And the square root of 1 is 1. And then our middle term is 2 times 7x times 1, which is 14x. So, and because it's a minus here, it's going to be a minus between them. So this just must be 7x minus 1 quantity squared. That's it. Okay, factoring a difference of squares. A difference of squares can be written as the two factors containing the same terms with opposite signs. These are called conjugates of each other. So a squared minus b squared is a minus b times a plus b. And I guess I don't... Oh, here's how to. Confirm that the first and last terms are perfect squares. Write the factor form as a plus b times a minus b. So the square root of 81y squared is 9y. The square root of 100 is 10. So this would be 9y minus 10 times 9y plus 10. Or you could put the plus first because multiplication is commutative. You can have the 9y plus 10 times 9y minus 10. It's the same thing. Okay, now we have factoring the sum and difference of cubes. So if you have a cubed plus b cubed, that's a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. I want to point out that that is just an ab, not a 2ab. That this will not factor after this. It'll be prime. Unless there happen to be common factors within those, but that's another story. A cubed minus b cubed is a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So again, there's no 2 here. And I also want to point out that there is a single negative there, and that single negative is over here now. So when it's a minus here, the negative is there. When it's a plus here, there's a plus there. Okay, so let's take a look at these two examples. What is the cube root of 216a cubed? And that'd be 6a. And the cube root of b cubed is b. So this would be 6a plus b times 6a squared minus 6a times b plus b squared. So a little bit of cleanup. 6a plus b times 36a squared minus 6ab plus b squared. And this next one, the cube root of 1000x cubed is 10x, and the cube root of 1 is 1, and it's a minus there. So we're going to have 10x minus 1 times 10x, that amount is going to be squared, plus 10x times 1 plus 1 squared. So 10x minus 1 times 100x squared plus 10x plus 1. Okay, that's it for this video. We have one more video in this series.